Hey everybody, I am climbing the north ridge of Mahogany right now. I'm on the rec path portion of it. It's a snowstorm. It's pretty cool, beautiful. I'm not sure if it's even doable today, so I might have to quick switch to a different route. But probably 4 inches of snow has fallen in the last 2 hours, which is quite a lot for right here and this low in altitude elevation. I'm not even sure if the track will be visible. Right now I'm not seeing it, so I'll let you know how it goes here in a short bit. Alright, I am putting on my spikes here under the little tunnel in the rec path. It's the north ridge of Walnut Lake. Mahogany. The north ridge of Mahogany. Definitely not going to work today. So, I'm going to go over and do some laps on Morgan Boulevard. Because, for one thing, there was the trail behind me. It's pretty raw. There we go. It was pretty well covered in snow. When I looked back at my tracks, they were filled up with snow as I went. So I thought, wow, it's really slow going. Kind of figured out where I was. Just a few tracks, pretty much. That's all it was. And that's not very fast, to tell you the truth. I'm not here just to get the summit, which was doable. It's been like 4 hours of long trying to figure out where I was and making a new trail. And that's not what I'm doing today. So I'm going to go over to Morgan and give that a shot, see how that works. So believe it or not, I actually managed to get lost at the very start of Morgan. Conditions are that bad. So I don't know what the future holds for this right here. I was post holding back there, maybe 8 inches deep. It's almost funny, but the going is slow, that's for sure. We don't want to slip off here. I'm not sure how it looks in the camera lens, but the light is super flat, and I'm wearing yellowish tinted goggles here because I was kind of hoping that it would help me to see a little bit better, and I just don't know if that's true or not. It is not fast going though. Yeah, my pace, that's about 16, which is horrible. I don't know if I can get the spikes back on just around the road. Holy crap. Anyway, I burned some calories, got hungry,